Shipping speed matters more now than it ever has. Customers don't just compare prices anymore. They compare delivery times. If one store can get a product to their door in under a week and another takes 3 weeks, most people won't even hesitate. They'll pick the faster option, even if it costs a little more. That's where a lot of traditional dropshipping stores struggle. If you're sourcing products from overseas suppliers, especially from Asia, you already know the pain points. Long shipping times, vague tracking updates, frustrated customers, refund requests, and support tickets asking where is my order over and over again. In this video, we're breaking down how to use Zendrop's US suppliers to dramatically reduce shipping times and create a better customer experience without completely changing your business model. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on the Ecom Mastery channel here, we focus on practical strategies that actually improve conversion rates, reduce headaches, and help your store feel more legit in the eyes of customers. By the end of this video, you'll understand why shipping speed matters so much, how Zendrop's US supplier network works, how to find an important US shipped product step by step, and how to balance fast shipping with healthy margins. Why shipping time matters more than ever. When someone buys from your store, they're not just buying a product, they're buying an expectation. They expect clear delivery timelines, reliable tracking, a reasonable wait time. Long shipping windows break that trust. If a customer places an order and doesn't receive it for 2 or 3 weeks, several bad things happen. They start checking tracking constantly. They email support asking for updates. They might even leave negative reviews, and they hesitate to order from you again. Even worse, many customers abandon their carts before buying if they see long shipping estimates at checkout. Fast shipping, on the other hand, builds confidence, makes your store feel established and reliable. It increases repeat purchases and reduces refund requests. You don't need Amazon-level logistics, but you do need shipping times that feel reasonable. US suppliers versus overseas suppliers, the real trade-off. Let's be honest about the difference. Overseas suppliers, especially from China, usually win on price. The product costs are lower, and the variety is massive. The downside is shipping time. Even with faster shipping options, delivery can take 10 to 20 days, sometimes longer. US suppliers flip that equation. Products stored in US warehouses typically process faster, ship with domestic carriers, arrive in days instead of weeks. With Zendrop's US suppliers, most listings show processing times around 1 to 3 business days. Delivery windows roughly between 2 and 8 business days. That's a huge upgrade compared to international shipping. The trade-off is cost and selection. US-based products are often more expensive and the catalog is smaller. But what you gain is speed, reliability, and customer trust. For many stores, that trade-off is worth it. How Zendrop's US supplier network actually works. So Zendrop doesn't manufacture products themselves. Instead, they act as a platform that connects your store to vetted suppliers, some overseas and some domestic. US suppliers keep inventory inside US warehouses and fulfill orders locally. Zendrop handles product sourcing, supplier connections, order routing, tracking information, and the suppliers handle inventory, packing, and shipping. This means Zendrop can show estimated shipping times, but actual delivery speed still depends on the supplier's stock levels and processing speed. It's fast, but it's not magic. So understanding that distinction helps you set realistic expectations. Step by step, finding US suppliers on Zendrop. Here's how to locate US shipped products inside of Zendrop. But if you don't have a Zendrop account yet, you can click the link down below in the description. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here, where, as you can see, you can go ahead and get 50% off your first month of Zendrop. It was $79.99, but for you, using that link down below, it'll be $39.99. You also get an e-commerce courses, so you know exactly what to do. You get automatic fulfillment for hands-free deliveries. And you also get live weekly coaching for expert help. So if you want to get started with Zendrop and follow along with the rest of the video, then go ahead and click the link down below in the description. You can also get started with Zendrop from your Shopify dashboard. Just come in here to the App Store and you can type in Zendrop and go ahead and click on that. Go ahead and click install. Click install again. Okay, once you go ahead and have your credit card information in there, you can go ahead and click approve, and then Zendrop will be connected to your Shopify store. Again, if you want to go ahead and get 50% off your first month, don't forget to use that link down below in the description. So here we can go ahead and select our store niche. For this, I'm gonna go ahead and just click not sure yet, and maybe we'll go ahead and save this for later. And I just want to get into Zendrop. So step 1, log in and open the product marketplace. So once you're logged into Zendrop, go to find products. This is the main marketplace where you search for items to sell. You can browse by category or use keywords related to your niche. So here we are inside of Zendrop. So you can come over here to find products, and this is where we want to be. Step 2, use the ships from filter. So this is the most important step. In the filter section, find ships from and select United States. Zendrop will now show only products stocked in US warehouses. You can combine this with other filters like category, pricing, or product type to narrow your results. So right here, what we want to do, ships from, go ahead and click this, and we want to select US. So now it's going to go ahead and filter all of our results to only show US suppliers. Step 3, review processing and shipping times carefully. Each product listing shows estimated processing and delivery times. For US suppliers, you'll typically see processing of 1 to 3 business days and delivery 2 to 8 business days. Don't just assume all US listings are the same. Some are faster than others, and some may have limited stock. Look for products that consistently fit your delivery promise. But now we can go ahead and see everything that is coming from the US. Now, as you can see, the cost for some of this stuff is pretty high. For example, a mirror here is $47.96 cost. So in order to make a profit off that, this needs to sell somewhere around maybe $120 to $150 to cover the rest of your costs and profit. Step 4, check supplier limitations. Some US suppliers only ship within the United States. If you sell internationally, then you'll need to offer US only shipping for those products or pair them with international suppliers for non-US customers. Always make sure the supplier's shipping coverage matches your target market. Step 5, import products into your store. Once you find a product you like, click Add to Import List. Then push it into your Shopify store. Before publishing, edit the product title, rewrite the description, adjust pricing, add clear shipping information. This is where you control the customer experience. Don't rely on default descriptions. So let's say you want to start selling these little car chargers here. And this might be a good one because it's coming from the US and its cost is only $1.17, where this could easily be sold for $10, $11, maybe even $15, depending on what kind of bundles or whatever that you can come up with. So let's go ahead and click on this. It looks like this one's out of stock, so that wouldn't be a good one to choose. So let's go ahead and go back here. Let's say maybe this jump rope here. Let's go ahead and add this to our products. And here we can go ahead and edit the product name, the product type, the category. We can go ahead and change the description. So we can go ahead and change all of this in Zendrop before publishing it to the store. And once you're ready to publish a store, just go ahead and click Publish to Store. Integrating US shipped products into your store. Adding fast shipping products isn't just about importing them. It's about positioning them correctly. Highlight fast shipping clearly. Make fast shipping obvious. You can add ships from USA in the product description. Include delivery estimates near the buy button. Use badges like fast US shipping or delivered in 2 to 8 business days. Customers will notice that immediately. Adjust pricing to reflect value. US shipped products usually cost more. Instead of racing to the bottom on price, lean into the value. Faster delivery, better reliability, less waiting. Many customers are willing to pay more to get something sooner. Set clear expectations. Transparency matters. If an item ships quickly, say so. If another item takes longer, say that too. Clear expectations reduce complaints and refunds. Monitor inventory closely. US supplier stock can sell out faster. If a product runs low or goes out of stock, pause the listing, switch suppliers if available, or update delivery times. Nothing hurts trust faster than selling something you can't fulfill. Balancing US and international products strategically. You don't have to go all in on US suppliers. A smart approach is to mix both. Use US suppliers for best-selling products, seasonal items, gifts, time-sensitive purchases. Use international suppliers for lower-priced items, less urgent products, high-margin accessories. This gives customers options and lets you capture different buying behaviors without limiting your catalog. Real-world example. So let's say you run a fitness accessory store and you find some resistance bands shipped from the US warehouse with a 5-day delivery window. You highlight fast shipping on the product page and customers love it, especially those buying for workouts that they want to start right away. You also sell yoga mats from an overseas supplier because the US versions cost much more. On that product page, you clearly state a 2 to 3 week delivery time. Some customers choose speed, others choose price. Because expectations are clear, both groups are happy and your store can capture both sales. So cutting shipping times is one of the most effective ways to improve your dropshipping business. Zendrop US Suppliers gives you a way to deliver products in days instead of weeks, reduce customer frustration, and build trust without completely reinventing your store. By filtering for US shipped products, reviewing processing times, importing strategically, and communicating expectations clearly, you can create a faster, more reliable shopping experience. Balance domestic and international suppliers wisely, and you'll see higher conversions, fewer support tickets, and more repeat customers. So if you want to get started with Zendrop or Shopify, we'll have links for both down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And it's that support that helps keep these tutorials coming. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you here in the next video.